Looking for a reliable, wireless outdoor security camera that won't break the bank? Say hello to the Blink Outdoor 4, Amazon's latest upgrade in its line of smart security solutions. Whether you're keeping an eye on deliveries, deterring intruders, or just want peace of mind while you're away, this little device promises a whole lot in a compact, weather-resistant package. So, does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into our full review of the Blink Outdoor 4 and find out if it's the right choice for your home security setup. Design and build quality. Right out of the box, the Blink Outdoor 4 keeps things simple, and that's not a bad thing. It looks almost identical to its predecessor, the Outdoor 3, with a clean, matte black square casing, rounded edges, and a discreet camera lens that blends into most home exteriors. It's small, light, and incredibly easy to mount, especially since it's completely wire-free. The package includes a mounting bracket and screws, but if you're a renter or just not handy with tools, you can easily use adhesive mounts or camera stands. Now here's the big plus. It's weather-resistant. Rain, wind, or scorching sun. The Blink Outdoor 4 is built to handle it all, making it perfect for year-round use. Setup experience. One of Blink's biggest selling points is ease of use, and that's front and center here. Setup takes just a few minutes. You'll need the Blink app, available on iOS and Android. Once installed, just scan the QR code inside the battery compartment, sync it with your Wi-Fi, and connect it to your sync module too, which is included in most bundles. Now, here's a cool bonus. You get free local video storage if you plug in a USB drive into the sync module. That's a nice option if you want to avoid cloud subscription fees. And speaking of batteries, this camera runs on 2 AA lithium batteries, and get this, they can last up to 2 years on a single pair, depending on usage. That's a big win for convenience. Video and audio performance. The Blink Outdoor 4 delivers crisp 1080p HD video during the day. Footage is clear and well lit, with good contrast and enough detail to recognize faces, read license plates, or monitor activity on your porch. But the real surprise is the enhanced motion detection, which now uses a new feature called person detection, available through the Blink subscription plan. It helps filter out cars or animals and only alerts you when it spots a human, which is a major step up from older models. At night, the infrared night vision kicks in automatically. While it's black and white, it still offers decent visibility up to about 20 feet. And the two-way audio is clear enough for a quick hello or please leave the package by the door conversation with delivery drivers. App experience and features. Let's talk about the Blink app, because it's really the control center for everything this camera can do. From the app, you can view a live feed, speak through the camera's mic, set motion detection zones, tweak sensitivity settings, and manage multiple cameras if you're building out a whole home system. You also get customizable motion alerts, and I love that you can adjust the notification frequency so you're not bombarded every time a leaf blows by. If you subscribe to the Blink Cloud plan, you get 60 days of video history, person detection, and rapid video playback. But even without it, local storage with the USB drive works well for most users. Smart home integration. Another area where Blink shines is smart home integration, especially if you're already in the Amazon ecosystem. With Alexa, you can stream your Blink Outdoor 4 feed directly to devices like the Echo Show. Just say, "Alexa, show me the front door," and boom, your live feed appears instantly. Unfortunately, there's no native Google Assistant or Apple HomeKit support, so if you're more of a Google or Apple household, that might be a limitation. Security and privacy. Blink takes security seriously. Video clips are encrypted, and you can set up two-factor authentication for extra protection. Plus, the option for local storage gives privacy-conscious users a little more peace of mind. There's also a privacy zone feature that lets you block out parts of the camera's view from being recorded, which can be great for apartment dwellers or anyone with nosy neighbors. So after spending some quality time with the Blink Outdoor 4, here's the verdict. What we loved. Easy, cable-free installation. Long 2-year battery life. Sharp 1080p video and improved motion detection. Affordable local storage via USB. Seamless Alexa integration. What could be better? Person detection requires a subscription. No Google Assistant or HomeKit support. Night vision, while decent, isn't color-based like some competitors. Overall, the Blink Outdoor 4 hits a great balance between affordability, performance, and ease of use. It's perfect for beginners, renters, or anyone who wants solid home security without running wires or paying steep subscription fees. On our modern gadget guy rating scale, we're giving the Blink Outdoor 4 a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it's definitely one of the best value outdoor cameras in its class. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to grab the Blink Outdoor 4 or check out the latest deals, click the link in the description below to shop on Amazon. And remember, if you liked this video, drop a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments what smart home gadgets you want us to test next. Until next time, stay safe and stay smart with Modern Gadget Guy.